It is morning in the stick house. The sun shines outside, and soft light comes through the kitchen window. The kitchen is small but warm. The air smells like toast and coffee. The table is ready. On the table, there are cups, plates, and bread. A little butter sits in a small dish. Mark sits at the table. He holds a cup with both hands. He drinks hot coffee slowly. Anna stands by the counter. She makes toast for everyone. She puts bread in the toaster and waits. Alex walks into the kitchen. He is still sleepy. His hair is messy. He rubs his eyes and yawns. His steps are heavy. Lily already sits at the table. She eats cereal with a spoon. She smiles and looks happy. Her feet swing under the chair. She hums a little tune while she eats. The family starts the day together, each one with their small morning habit. The kitchen feels alive.
Mark, you drink coffee every morning.
Yes, and you make toast every day.
I wake up late. School starts too early. I eat cereal. I love cereal every morning.
It is afternoon now. The sun is high, and bright light comes into the living room through the big window. The room is quiet, but each person does something different. Mark sits in his chair. He reads the newspaper. He holds it up and turns the pages slowly. He does this every day. His face is calm. Anna sits on the sofa. She knits with red yarn. The yarn ball sits beside her. She makes something slowly, stitch by stitch. Her hands move carefully. Alex lies on the sofa with his tablet. He plays a game. His fingers move fast. His eyes stay on the screen. He looks very busy and very serious. Lily sits on the floor. She reads a colorful comic book. She smiles at the funny pictures. Sometimes she laughs quietly. The family is together in one room, but each one is in their own small world. The afternoon feels lazy and soft.
Alex, you play games too much. You don't study.
I do homework. Well, sometimes.
Lily, you read comics. You also read books.
Yes, I read. I write. I read again. I love it.
Evening comes. The sky outside grows dark. The Stick family sits at the dinner table. The light in the room is soft and yellow. The smell of soup and rice fills the air. The food is ready. The smell goes into every room of the house. The family walks to the table. They are tired after the long day. Their stomachs are empty, and they want to eat. They sit down on the chairs. The food is warm, and it looks good. They eat slowly at first, and then they eat faster because they are hungry. They talk about the day. They say what happened at school and at work. They listen to each other. They smile. They laugh. The table is full of sound. There's the sound of spoons on the plates. There is the sound of voices that go up and down. There is the sound of happy laughter. The family is together, and the room feels safe. The food is good, but the best thing is being with each other. The dinner table is the best place in the house. It is not big, but it feels special. Here, the family shares food, and they share words. The room's warm. The family feels close.
I work every day. I relax at night.
I cook dinner. Mark, you wash the dishes.
I go to school. I do homework. I play games too. I eat. I read. I play. I do everything.
The day is almost finished. The Stick family gets ready for bed. They close the windows and turn off the lights in the rooms. The house is quiet now. The sky outside is dark. The moon is high, and stars shine like small lights. The street is empty. The world feels calm. Inside the house, the Stick family brushes their teeth. They put on pajamas. They say good night to each other. They go to their beds and lie down. The room is soft and warm. The family closes their eyes. The house is still. The night is here, and tomorrow will come soon. The Stick family lives a simple day. They work, they play, they eat, and they rest. They are happy together. Every day is small, but every day is important.